Hey guys, welcome to UXO Kitchen. My name's Jenna and today we're going to be cooking up, 'tis the season, some pumpkin chocolate chip protein donuts. So first we're going to start with a scoop of Pro Refit Vanilla Cream Protein Powder. And here we have about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. We've got a tablespoon of unsweetened applesauce. I like to use these small containers because they store easier. You don't waste as much versus the big ones. We have 2 servings or 30 grams if you're measuring on the scale of dark chocolate chips. And then we're gonna use 1 egg and 1 egg white only. About a half a cup or 120 grams of canned pumpkin and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So we are just gonna add all our ingredients into the bowl. Whisk everything together. All right, and you just want to stir it until it's all mixed together really good. Just make sure there's no clumps. It just has a cake batter like consistency. Get yourself one of these off of Amazon is where I found mine. The silicone donut molds are awesome because you don't even have to grease them and they're already non-stick. Chocolate chips go in lastly. So fold in the chocolate chips. You can also try to use mini chocolate chips. Probably work a little better, just so your chocolate's more spread out throughout your donuts. But we're using the big ones. Tis the season to have pumpkin spice everything. Like literally everything. Coffee, lattes, donuts, pancakes. You can make anything pumpkin. We're gonna stick them into the oven. It's at 350 degrees. We're gonna bake them, depending on your oven, anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so while our donuts are baking, we're gonna work on our cream cheese protein frosting. So we're gonna use our protein powder. We have 2 ounces of fat-free cream cheese. Make sure it's room temperature and softened, otherwise it's gonna be chunky in your frosting. Don't want that. So, got our cream cheese, and do another full scoop protein powder. And then about a 1/4 cup of fat-free evaporated milk. I'm starting with a little, like half of this. You want to just add it until you get a good consistency of a good frosting. We're gonna let these sit for about 10 minutes so they can cool down, and we're gonna frost them, throw some sprinkles on top. They're gonna be good. Molds are awesome because donuts kind of just pop right out like this. Peel off just any of the crusty outer edges, and then we're literally just gonna dip it into our frosting. So just grab like so. Make sure you get it all around. And like that, and we're gonna top them with some sprinkles, just like that. I'm gonna take a bite out of this and just show you guys. Look at that. That's money right there. 'Tis the season. Pumpkin everything, you guys. Pumpkin spice chocolate chip protein donuts. Super awesome macros. Each donut has 13 grams of protein, only 12 carbs, and 4 grams of fat. So you could eat 2 donuts and it's pretty much the same as like any protein bar that you can find on the market. I don't know about you guys, but I would take these donuts over a protein bar any day. In case you guys don't believe me, I brought along Darren. He's gonna give the spouse approval to tell if these protein donuts are really good or not. Okay, ready?
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
One bite only. Well, that was a big bite.
They're good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Try it out. I hope you guys like it and enjoy, and happy holidays.